Trying to manage your skin is like riding a roller coaster. Sometimes your skin is really dry, and other times it's very shiny. Is your makeup causing you to break out? Heavy liquid makeup can be one culprit for acne breakouts. If you notice a pimple the day after wearing a product, it may be to blame. Genetics and the environment can also contribute to breakouts. For some people, it takes very little to block the pores and develop acne. And for others, the face almost never breaks out. What is universal is the fact that skin changes as we age. For this reason, you may notice that you are breaking out when you never did before, or that products that caused no problems when you were younger are now leading to acne breakouts. How to avoid breaking out from your makeup? If you suspect your makeup is breaking you out, there are a few ways you can prevent and manage it if you're not ready to go completely barefaced. To avoid breaking out from your makeup, make sure to prep the skin using a salicylic acid-based cleanser to remove excess oil, dirt and dead cells from the surface. Always make sure you're starting your makeup routine with a completely clean face, and taking it all off at the end of the day. Going to sleep with a full face of makeup on can both transfer it to the pillow and can rub against your face, increasing your risk of a breakout. To target spots overnight, it is recommended to apply acne spot treatment. Next, make sure all of your makeup brushes and sponges are clean. In some cases, bacteria may grow on the brushes if they are dirty. It's also important to use makeup that is labeled as non-comedogenic. This means the formula is less likely to clog your pores, which is a major contributor to breakouts. You can finish with the loose setting powder. It will lock in your makeup and provide a smooth, matte finish.